Woohoo! All right, we're to the flash to the past. You guys are almost there. This flash to the past is just simply clicking on each of these links to take you back to those pre-work assignments that were given at the end of the January module. Okay, so just go on, look at what people have written for the activities assignment, and then look at the discussion posts, reply back to those that you would like to reply back to. Okay, and then your helpful links are the Roadmap Completion Guide and the June through January 2018 LBDL Cliff Notes. So feel free to click on any of those to refresh your memory, make sure that you're headed in the right direction on your Roadmap Completion Guide, and that you have all of your ducks lined up in a row to keep us targeted on getting our roadmap completed. All right, so I will see you back at the pre-work for March 13th. Thanks, guys. See ya.